welcome to Cherry Scraps, the hot mess express of scrapbooking. Today I'm doing the UVA library, and the photos have these lovely deep rich red tones, and that's why I chose these paper pads. That is my page map, and as we know, I'm not great at doing those. So let's get started. I fell in love with this dark tone on tone flower combo and thought, wouldn't that be a cool edge? So we started fussy cutting. And kept fussy cutting. This isn't something I'm great at, but I knew it'd be a great effect, so I took my time and it took forever. But eventually I was left with a pile of flowers and leaves that I inked the edges of as well, so we didn't have that like white, stark edge. In addition to using them kind of on the edge here, I also highlighted some with gold to go more towards the center of the page as just random embellishments, and putting a little gold on there to match the white paper turned out really awesome. I'm using glue and I'm bouncing some of the leaves up with foam blocks, which of course always looks great. And you're about to see I chose this green paper because it matched the library, had this awesome cage over the books with this diamond pattern, and I wanted to mimic it here. But it looked just a little plain after I started getting other things on the page. So I decided to add some decoration, unfortunately, after I had glued everything down. So out comes the stamp kit. When I was a kid and I was stamping, everything had those wooden blocks and you couldn't see where the items were going. I love how this is so much better. And what you see me doing here is pulling my scrapbook page apart with a spatula because I decided the stamps needed to be kind of overlapped by those flowers. And I do this probably about twice a page where I just tear up everything. I really need to get some removable tape, I feel like. So if you have a favorite, let me know. I'd also like to know what you guys typically fussy cut, edges, embellishments. I think it turned out great, especially with the gold highlights. The UVA title is also a secret journaling spot, so super cute. I even had time to cricket a little detail on there. I told you I was doing more cricket. So, what do you fussy cut? Go ahead, drop a comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much.